you can see here, the roadway depressed, and it's creating a water flow that's rolling all the way down. And as we get down here further, it's actually it's starting to rip the road apart. So as we get further down here, you'll see already base deterioration, and then right here, how you doing, sir? Right here, we have crumbling of the roadway issues, and it continues on and becomes more severe right in this area, all the way through. So we're seeing again vehicles coming through, and then again as we get down here, we have some base failure from the water runoff going all the way down, washout, and then further pooling down here with washout, and again further deterioration on this side of East Galen Hall Road, where you can see the pavement is actually, or the roadway is actually washed off. So chunks of road missing on a good section of East Galen Hall Road here, starting up at, with a water flow coming off of the site and coming down. You can see it's still going with some water issues.